Happy morning to everyone. So this time I thought let me to talk about very important topic, that is National Policy 2020. On 29 July 2020, as government has approved this national policy. First policy was introduced in 1968, then after that 1986, and somehow some modification was done in 1992. But this is the only policy which everyone is liking like anything, because has been tremendous changes has been done. So what is that? Earlier might be we all have heard only, and we used to know that 10 plus 2. It means the child has to go from 1st to 10th class in one pattern, then plus 2. But now the scenario has been changed completely. And how? So we will discuss about that. So this is the formula 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. क्या होगा, जो छोटे बच्चे हैं जो नर्सरी से सेकेंड क्लास तक के, they are coming into this. It means from nursery to grade 2 the children will come into this 5. So what are they going to learn here? Right now for them there is no exam. पहले क्या होता था कि फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड क्लास के बच्चों तक का भी एग्जाम होता था. This is the actually place where the children are going to enjoy a lot, because this is called as a foundation education also. So it means right now children, especially pre-primary kids, won't come with the cry and all. मेरे को स्कूल जाना है, वहाँ पे टीचर गुस्सा करती है, मैं ये पढ़ाई करना. Now this is not at all. So now the children will come with a lot of enjoyment and all, and they will have obviously a lot of excitement to play with their friends and all. And then they are coming to the first class. So obviously the teacher has to introduce language and all. So they are going to learn with a lot of enjoyment. So this is called as 5. After that it comes 3. What do we mean by plus 3? 3 means this is a class for grade 3 to 5. This is, we are going to say, preparatory. It means in this what is the changes happen, इसमें क्या changes हुआ वो जानने का बहुत जरूरी है. पहले क्या होता था कि हम बच्चे को अगर पढ़ा रहे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल है तो इंग्लिश में ही पढ़ाया जाता था, अगर वो तेलुगु मीडियम स्कूल है तो तेलुगु में ही पढ़ाया जाता था, ऐसा रहता था. But right now the government has brought a very nice change in this. If the child is not feeling comfortable with English or Hindi, the child can go with his and her own regional language. This is the actual change which happened here, and this is the stage where the exams will start. Okay, so अभी जो पढ़ाई होगा वो कैसे रहेगा? Grade 3 to grade 5. It means this plus 3 stage. It will be activity based study and language, like whether mother tongue, whether Indian language, child choice. But here the some cons which people used to say कि कुछ एक कमी ये बता रहे हैं कि in the future if the child is going with a regional language, so what about their English communication? Because as we know that Chinese, if in China if you go, those people can't work in any other country because of their communication barrier. And Indian, they are known for wherever they go, they can just do the work because they know English language very well. So that's actually which is the cons actually, and that discussion is going on. But that also the government has given the free hand. This all depends on the school and the child. Whatever the child wants to take the language, the child has to go. Then third stage comes plus 3. So it means 5 plus 3 plus 3, again 3. This 3 means middle stage for grade 6 to 8. This is my favorite stage, I am saying, because we did not get this opportunity in our life actually. What is this? This is the stage only where right now we all are talking about the coding and computer language. This is going to be introduced. And the very wonderful thing which has been included, that is vocational and skill based learning. ये vocational skill based learning क्या होता है? अगर किसी बच्चे को गार्डनिंग सीखना है तो गार्डनिंग सिखाया जाएगा. किसी बच्चे को अगर if any child wants to learn stitching, the child will learn stitching. If any child wants to learn cooking, the child will learn cooking. So these are the vocational courses will be available in the school. So this is, I feel, this is a very important thing which has been brought actually in this national policy. And obviously as usual maths, science, all the subjects will be there. मतलब कि बच्चे को 6 से लेकर 8 क्लास तक सब कुछ दे दिया जाएगा. So here the child could understand what do I like and what I should study in my life. Okay, then after that comes plus 4. Plus 4 means grade 9 to grade 12. It's all about now in this stage, what is a great change happen? No stream. Earlier we used to say after the 10th standard the child used to go for the science stream, art streams and commerce. But right now there is no stream. We will be having multiple subjects as per the choice of the child. मान लीजिए मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है डांस, मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है बायो, I am liking even physics, I am liking even Hindi as a subject. So your choice only right now. So this is a very beautiful thing which this policy talk about. It's all about the child choice. So you can do whatever subjects you love. You have the rights to choose that. So this is all about this plus 4. And this is also not just now here और एक बहुत अच्छी changes उसमें क्या की गई है, it's a semester wise. It means grade 9 to 12 earlier we used to have 4 exams yearly, okay, but now it will be 8 exams. So child will be very serious to study actually here. So these are the things which this policy talk. So might be you all have understood 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. 5 means here nursery to 2nd grade, which is all about foundation. 3 it means grade 3 to 5. It all about activity study and exams will start from here, and here the child will have the right to choose his or her own regional language also if he is not comfortable with English and any other Indian language. When it comes to plus 3 again, this is all about middle stage where the child will go for the vocational courses and coding and all, and here the child has to learn one Indian language. Indian language means the child can learn Sanskrit, Urdu, Maithili, whatever the language the child wants to learn, here the new language will be learned by the student. Then plus 4, secondary level. This is for the grade 9 to 12 where there is no stream now onwards. Child will have multiple subjects as per his and her choice and semester wise examination. So these are the changes happen in school level. When it comes to graduation, earlier we used to say BA, मैंने BA किया है, मैंने BSc किया है, मैंने BCom किया है. Now there is no BA, BCom, BSc such kind of actually talk. Now it's only about graduate. सबसे अच्छी बात यहाँ पे क्या की गई है, कभी भी आप entry and exit. What do you mean by entry and exit? It means if the child अगर कोई बच्चा 1 साल के लिए पढ़ा है और किसी भी रीजन से for any reason because of financial problem, because of health problem, child ने drop कर दिया, any time the child can rejoin it back. और इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपने 1 साल के लिए खत्म कर दिया पढ़ाई तो आपको फिर से 1 साल के लिए स्टार्ट से ज्वाइन करना है. No, the child can join from the 2nd year because the child has completed 1 year. And how it's going to be considered also. This is actually the very beautiful thing which this policy actually is talking about. First year, if I have done, supposed to be, I have taken any subject, 5 subjects I have taken. I have taken music, I have taken biology, I have taken dance, I have taken history. In a such a way, I have 5 subjects in my graduation. First year complete करने पे, I will get the certificate for that. Second year if I will complete, I will get diplomas. If the 3rd year if I will complete, then I will get degree. If 4th year if I complete, if I go up to 4th year, then I will be have done advanced research in my graduation. So it means there is no compulsory rule for you to complete all 4 years. It's all about your choice. But in each year, ये जितने भी हैं आपका, चाहे पहला साल हो, दूसरा साल हो, तीसरा साल हो या चौथा साल हो, graduation में is going to give benefit in your career. So this is all about the graduation. Okay, सबसे अच्छी बात इसमें क्या है कि आपका अगर by कुछ भी reason से, for any reason, if you left in between any year, you can just join it back from that year onwards. उसके बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का बात करें, इसमें भी ऑप्शन है आपके पास, whether for 1 year, whether for 2 years you have to do. There is no MPhil. Direct after post graduation you can do your PhD. So this is all about national policy 2020. And really, our children, you all are very lucky to have this kind of policy, and might be by 2022 it is going to start. And I'm very happy that vocational courses and skill kind of based critical thinking, problem solving, such kind of things we used to talk in our life skill classes. So these are the things is going to be introduced. Yes, some cons also are there, but let us to feel very happy that India also is going to bring one of the best policy in education. And this really whoever the committee, क्योंकि ये पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है किसी पॉलिसी को लाने के पीछे बहुत बड़े लेवल में लोगों ने काम किया है, छोटे गांव से लेकर स्टेट से लेकर नेशनल लेवल तक में एवरी मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव इन्वॉल्वड एंड दे हैव डन द रिसर्च, देन ओनली दिस पॉलिसी हैज बीन approved. And let us to just take the benefit of that also, and let us to think that in the future our kids are going to do really wonderful job. Thank you.